Hi, my name's Max Piper. I'm the CEO of Central Innovation. I've been with Central Innovation the last 10 years on its journey from being a number of different smaller companies, ultimately evolving into a singular solutions-based business for the manufacturing and the AEC industries. Central Innovation started as a series of different companies. There was a Graphisoft company, there was an ArchiCAD company, one specialising in manufacturing, one specialising in architecture. Over the last 25 years, these companies have evolved from bare-based CAD software providers into something more sophisticated. This is standardised across both industries with the software, and it's now become a workflow solution that involves a lot more than just simply the software itself. So today, when you think about architectural design and engineering design, the design side, of course, is always the creative and the analogue side, but the workflow process has become far more important. So how you connect the pieces from the beginning of designing a product or a building all the way through to delivering that building is far more interconnected than it's ever been before. And the single biggest change that's going on in the industry today is the automation of the workflow. So wherever possible, with the digitalisation of the design process, you're interconnecting the original design with the contractors all the way through to the builders themselves, down to building management, facilities management, and handover to owners. So a much more complicated and sophisticated process, and Central Innovation in its journey has worked with our customers all along the way, evolved with our customers at their request to joining more of the dots together. So once upon a time, they were all one-by-one steps done independently. Today, they are all interrelated, all coordinated, and working in what we call the workflow. Once upon a time, Central Innovation was made up of these single companies that simply sold software. Over the last 10 years, that's evolved, and we've had to take on different service offerings, software, hardware, systems, and people, that in combination provide a higher order product and service solution for our customers. The hardware is getting specifically Ferrari-style workstations that can really deliver on the complicated software that's involved with design. Our recruitment business involves not only employing and finding candidates for people, but training them so that our customers have the very best people available with the highest level of skills. Our software business continues to be, as it's always been, the best products from around the world that we can find for our customers to use. And that combines with our systems capabilities, where we bring all of this together to automate the process and to enable our customers to realise the potential of their software in their work environment. Customers have always been central to our business. By working closely with them over the last 20 years, we've been able to develop solutions for them that enables us to be the very best partners available. It is them that came to us and said, how do we go beyond software? How do we stretch the envelope? So customers are central to our business today. The company has grown and evolved based on our interactions with our customers over the last 25 years. In a digital world that is ever more globally competitive, it's been imperative for us to work with our customers to take on the world, not just the local markets they traditionally had to deal with.
The Sunshine Coast University Hospital was the first major health PPP project that the Queensland Government undertook, and was the largest non-replacement greenfield hospital built in Australia in the last 25 years. A really significant project. The need for quality, coordinated documentation was critical for a project of this scale. The team here at HDR needed a universal approach to collaboration. Interoperability of project files was fundamental for the adoption of digital processes. We opted to combine ArchiCAD, Drofus, and other platforms to deliver this coordinated documentation. We worked closely with the Central Innovation team to help develop a plugin for ArchiCAD and Drofus, which was not available at the time. When we first proposed our approach to BIM to the client, it was met with skepticism. The greatest success of this project was the ability for us to deliver bulletproof documentation on time and coordinated across the various disciplines. We proved that by combining ArchiCAD and Drofus, we could achieve the results we needed. The Central Innovation team were instrumental in making this happen.
We are an award-winning New Zealand-based architectural practice with a strong belief in the power of teamwork and collaboration. From a project's inception through to completion, there is constant dialogue with the client and other contributors, with engineers, constructors, and other specialists. This has brought about many challenges, namely sharing of complex documents across various platforms, teams with the ability to adopt and handle a fast rate of change, and to be able to document the process efficiently. So we really needed a specialised team to help us achieve our goals. We approached Central Innovation, who guided us through the entire process of implementing the ArchiCAD suite into our practice that has truly transformed our operations. It was clear to us that ArchiCAD was far superior in terms of tailored tools for the New Zealand building industry. We were also impressed by the customer support system established by Central Innovation. ArchiCAD has now become a vital part of our business success. ArchiCAD has allowed us to become more productive with the team we have and given us the opportunity to broaden our service offering in-house. We couldn't be happier with the knowledge and service Central Innovation delivered, and we're certainly benefiting from the results.
Central Innovation has been assisting us at Kelley Engineering with our design processes for the past 7 years. Having initially utilised SolidWorks PDM Professional to get our engineering documentation under control, the next step for us was to consult with Central Innovation on how it could be further used to implement an engineering change workflow. They've recently assisted in the implementation of DataSuite Data Transformation Solution, which facilitates the seamless transfer of data across multiple platforms by providing a common language between systems. We wanted to transform the organisation from a paper-based to an electronic system to optimise our supply chain and production, as well as those of our overseas partners. By providing us with the DataSuite solution, Central Innovation has enabled us to automate data transfer from SolidWorks into Ostendo. Everything from the generation of part numbers, 3D thumbnails and isometric views, so we can see them directly on the detail screen in Ostendo, to the creation of model-based definition database files. I've nothing but praise for the whole Central Innovation team, not only in terms of their knowledge of best practice across a broad range of industries, but their ability to apply it to a specific situation and provide us with a customised solution.
I am Shoji Sinclair from Sinclair Product Design. Central Innovation has been integral in facilitating SolidWorks as our design and collaboration platform between ourselves and our client, Toro Australia. As the industry standard CAD software package, SolidWorks allows us to design and collaborate with our clients seamlessly. Central Innovation is our valued partner, providing us with the tools, training and support, allowing us to grow our business. Customer support is critical in our business, and it's great to know if we have an issue, all we have to do is phone Central Innovation and the person at the other end of the line will always understand what's going on. The team at Central Innovation are not only highly professional, they're also very results orientated. And they provide us with efficient and personalised service. With those qualities, they tick all the relevant boxes for us. Central Innovation ensures that our systems and people are working together for the best business outcomes.
The thing that connects us all together in this industry, both the AEC and the MFG industries, is we like to build stuff. We love to fix things. And it's providing those solutions. It's that ability to engage each and every day with your customers, our customers, with the world at large, solving those sorts of problems. There's nothing better for any industry than to be successful, but better still to have successful customers. So our passion and our commitment each and every day is to make sure that we're helping Australian and New Zealand manufacturers and constructors to go out and compete globally to ever more effective levels and deliver this design to the rest of the world.